Want to know how to create an account in guru.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your guru.com website. So we have also created similar videos regarding guru.com, so make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So in order to create an account, on the top right side, you should be seeing this sign up button right here. So you can just simply select that. And now once you've selected your sign up option, you should be provided with various interfaces right here. Now in order to sign up, you can see your full name and your email. You can just simply type in that, or just simply sign up with the following code. So I'm just going to sign up with Google for this video. So you can just simply choose any account that you can sign up with, and after a while you should automatically be signed up into guru.com easily. And that's it. Now you can just simply set up your account and you should be good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.